Hello Bacha Party. How are you all? Fine? I am also fine. I am Jeena Mehta from Akshar School. Today I will teach you English subjects. Do you know how many letters in alphabets? Yes, it has 26 letters. So let's enjoy alphabets with its sound. Let us see A. A for apple. A for aeroplane. A for ankle. A for alligator. So A sound A, A, A. Let us see B. B for bag. B for book. B for banana. B for boy. So B says B, B. Let us see. C says C for cup. C for car. C for carrot. C for coin. C for camel. So K says K, K. So it is simple K. Let us see. D for doll. D for dice. D for dog. D for duck. So D says D, D, D. Let us see. E for engine. E for egg. E for envelope. E for Eskimo. So E says eh, eh, eh. Let us see. F for feather. F for fairy. F for finger. F for fork. So F says f, f, f. Let us see. G for grass. G for girl. G for grapes. G for glass. So G says g, 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 g. Let us see H. How is taste of the honey? Yes, sweet. H for honey. H for helicopter. H for hen. H for hippopotamus. So H says ha 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 ha. Let us see I. I for igloo. I for injection. I for import. So I says E. I says E. E, 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 E. Let us J. J for jacket. J for jelly. J for juice. So J says J, 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 J. Let us K. K for kite. K for kettle. K for key. So K says k, 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 k. It's time for letter L. What does lamp gives us? Yes, light. So L for lamp. L for ladder. L for lizard. L for lamp. So L says L. Let us see M. M for mop. M for mittens. M for moon. So M says M. So let us see N. N says N. N for nurse. N for nib. N for necklace. So N says N. Let us see O. O for orange. O for olives. O for ox. So O says O, 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 O. Do you like potato? It's time for P. P for Potato. P for pen. P for pillow. So P says P. P. It's time for Q. Q for quilt. Q for quill. Q for queen. So Q says Q. Q. It's time for R. R for ring. R for rose. R for red color. So R says R. 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 It's time for S. S for sun. S for soap. S for sunflower. So S says S. S. It's time for T. T for tomato. T for teapot. T for tent. So T says T. 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 It's time for U. What we use in rainy season? Yes, umbrella. So U for umbrella. U for uncle. So U says a. Let us see. V for fan. V for vase. So V says V. 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 Let us see sound of W. W for window. W for watch. So W says V. V. Let us see X. X for X-ray. X for Xmas tree. So X says Ksha. Ksha. Let us see Y. Y for yellow color. Y for yo-yo. So Y says Ya. Ya. Let us see Z. Z for zip. Z for zero. So Z says Z. Z. Okay, repeat all the letters with its sound. Have a nice day. Bye bye.